The new, redesigned Range Rover Evoque offers outstanding performance. Combined with the all-new chassis, the intelligent suspension architecture delivers an exceptionally refined driving experience. The adaptive dynamics system provides the perfect balance between comfort and control at all times. Range Rover Evoque has 6 preset driving modes to suit your driving preferences. Dynamic mode delivers a more responsive, sportier drive. Configurable Dynamics offers you the ability to customize the driving character of your Evoque, such as throttle mapping, gear shift points, suspension and steering. Enhancing the performance even further, the Sport Shift Selector allows you to connect directly with the exhilarating driving experience. The active driveline offers true torque vectoring, transferring torque between the rear wheels when cornering. This, combined with torque vectoring by braking, which monitors steering inputs, delivers superior levels of traction. And dynamic stability control ensures optimum grip and composure at all times. The new Range Rover Evoque comes with a choice of up to 7 different engines. These lightweight, all-aluminium, 4-cylinder Ingenium engines combine refined performance with optimum efficiency. The smooth, progressive diesel engines are offered with a power output of either 150, 180 or 240 PS, whilst the engaging petrol engines come in either 200, 249 or 300 PS. Complementing the all-wheel drive engines is MHEV, or mild hybrid technology. The system harvests energy from deceleration and redeploys it to assist the powertrain upon acceleration, making the vehicle more fuel efficient and better for the environment.